everyone, it's Becky Hossman with Berkshire Hathaway. I'm going to do a little video talking about what is earnest money. Very exciting. Okay, so when you are making an offer on a home, you're going to have a purchase price. So I say the home's $400,000 and it's a really busy market, but maybe there isn't any offers yet and you've got a great lender and you just got a great offer and you're like, I'm going to offer full price, $400,000. So in that offer, and this is of course in the area that we're in the offer, you're going to also write, or not you, but your agent will put down how much earnest money you're going to put down. We usually recommend 1%. So for $400,000, it'd be $4,000. And in busy markets, your earnest money, the more you put, it's basically showing that you are in earnest. You are like, I'm going to put this money down to show you that I really want this house. So in a busy market with multiple offers, putting down more earnest money, if you're able to, makes your offer stronger. It shows that you mean business and that you're ready to buy. So not everybody has earnest money available. I know with FHA, and some different loans, there's some down payment assistance that happens. And there's different ways which you will work out with your local lender, how you can put down earnest money. But if you are able to put down more earnest money, it's a great option for making your offer stronger. So the other part of that is what happens to the earnest money. So once you have put an offer on a house and accepted, you need to turn in your earnest money in a timely manner. And your agent will tell you what that looks like. It usually, this is all usual, it's a check written to the title company and for that amount. And they are going to take that check and they're going to cash it and they're going to hold it until closing. And then it becomes a credit toward what you need to bring in to close on your house. So say you have put down, you're like, I'm going to do 1% because there's no other offers. I've got full price. I've got a great lender. It looks good. We'll just go in strong at full price. Ideally. So you have $4,000. So that $4,000 check gets turned into the title company. They cash it right away. They hold it. They give you a receipt. And then at closing, say you have to bring in $50,000 minus that $4,000, which is a credit. So that's how your earnest money works. Other thing about earnest money is when you say something falls through with the offer, it doesn't work out, you withdraw. In your offer, it talks about if that happens, there's two options that could happen. You could forfeit your earnest money, or you choose seller chooses basically what would happen. Like they could take you to court or things like that. Most of the time we put the earnest money. So it's also like it's being held, but if you do something that's so say you're like, I just hate this house. You've already gone through inspection. You just go, I don't want to do it. You back out. Well, hopefully your agent will work through you so you know that you like the house before. But you could lose your earnest money. It might be at risk. There's not guarantees. We always try and get people's earnest money back. Reasons things don't work out, financing fell through. Financing doesn't work out. You applied, they rejected you. You've made every attempt to do it. You get a letter from the bank. Usually you can get your earnest money back. The inspection, you had to pull out because the house is just, it's got a crack in the foundation and it's going down fast. And you're like, I'm not going to buy this house. So you can get you can request your earnest money back because in your inspection, that's a safe time to do that. If you've done everything that you're supposed to do in good faith and you're doing everything right, which is why you want a good local agent to help you do those processes, you should be able to get your earnest money back. The seller can always say, no, I don't want to. And that's a whole other thing that we will talk about later. But in general, if you're doing everything the right way, that earnest money is yours and will be used as a credit. If your transaction doesn't go through and you've done everything the right way and you're still, you've done everything right, most of the time it gets returned to you, but it can be in jeopardy. So sometimes people get a little scared of having that money out there. But if you love the house, maybe you're more than pre-approved, you're pre-qualified, you've got everything ready with the bank to go, you're fine. and you don't feel at risk, you can put down more money. So it's a little bit about earnest money. You can talk to your lender about that a little bit. You can talk to your agent more about that, but that's just a little bit. So yeah, that's all for today. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm always happy to answer questions. And that's all. All right. Bye. Have a great day.